My name is Trevor with STPT. Congratulations on the purchase of your new AltaLink C8130. We're going to take a walk around the machine and some of its features. Let's get started. Consumable supplies are printer supplies that become depleted during the operation of the printer. For this specific model, that includes toner and any staple cartridges that are needed for office finishers. Next, we have routine maintenance items. These are printer parts that have a limited life and require periodic replacement. Replacements can be parts or kits. Routine maintenance items for this printer are waste container, drum cartridges, transfer belt cleaner, and second bias transfer roller. We have over 90 detailed instructional videos on this channel that show the exact steps needed to replace each of these custom replaceable parts. For help on each Xerox model, visit our playlist called How To. Quick Printer Fixes.